Welcome to the Sports Betting Preview Show, a pregame.com podcast. This is segment 2. We're going to do a big game preview. We're going to take a look at UCLA versus Arizona in Pac-10 Conference Tournament play. I'm Marco D'Angelo, joined with Vegas Runner as we break down this game. Before we get to this game, I want to do a couple things here. We always give away RJ's money.
Let's do it, baby.
Love giving away RJ's money. $10 coupon. It's conference tournament week, so we're going to go with the word conference and the number 10. Just spell out conference and the number 10.
Free $10.
Free $10. Go to pregamepros.com. Pick out anything you want to buy from any of our pros. Put it in a shopping cart. Enter that coupon code. You're going to get $10 off.
And if it's $10,
it is free.
On the house, baby.
RJ don't like those ones.
He don't. Yeah, he wants at least a $12. Spend it on a $12 pick at least.
Give him $2. Okay, but it's a great offer. No strings attached. This is segment 2. We're going to take a look at a free pick. We already previewed the North Carolina Georgia Tech game, which was VR's free pick, and forgot to mention Vegas Runner with his free picks, 17-6. Good job on the free picks, my friend. This is going to be my free pick, and I'm 18-10 with my free picks. And let's just get right to it.
We got to start making these pay-per-view.
There you go. I think the porn industry's got the pay-per-view.
Yeah, not for picks, huh?
All right, we're going to go Arizona and UCLA. VR, hit me up with some numbers.
Okay, this one opened to pick 'em 138.5, and it stayed there. Just like the Georgia Tech North Carolina game. No steam yet, but I think they sit back and wait a little because they know they could get down big amounts of money on conference tournament games, so there isn't a rush, unlike, regular season where there's a lot of limits set on totals, sets on sides. So, as when it comes to these, you could sit back, you could wait, you could let the public move the line for you. There's a lot the outfits do differently during tournament time than they do in the regular season.
Let's not forget, these lines came out Tuesday.
Yeah.
Okay. You had Tuesday action, people are betting. You had Wednesday action, people are betting. And these are the Thursday games that were already set. They didn't have to wait for somebody to get to. So, the public, John Q. Public, is not going to bet a game on Thursday when there's action Tuesday and Wednesday before he gets to it. Basically because if he's dealing with an offshore account, he's got X number of dollars in the account.
Yeah, he's got to put it in play.
He can't tie it up for 3 days down the road. The Sharps can move their money at any time. Generally, the Sharps, unless they've really, really got a strong position on a game and they think the number is going to go against them, they will move early.
Back, yeah.
But they're most likely going to sit back, wait for the public to move the number to where they want it.
Especially during tournament time, bowls, things like that, playoffs, where public money so much outweighs wise guy money that the books have to adjust for the public money, unlike the regular season where they'll adjust for wise guys. That's going to actually be a topic
for us in our This Week in Vegas segment. So
this is your free pick. Give it to me, baby.
This is it. Well, again, just like the UCLA or the North Carolina game that we did in Georgia Tech, neither one of these teams are going to the big dance unless they win this conference.
Yeah, so one of them's not going.
One of them's not going. And when you look at it, UCLA, again, if you say name the 4 most famous programs in college basketball, it's Kentucky, it's Duke, it's North Carolina,
UCLA.
And UCLA.
And UCLA might even be the number 1 at the top with Wooden and all those championships. And their Final Four run the last few years.
Ben Howland leaves Pittsburgh, comes to UCLA, takes them right to the Final Four.
Yeah.
How many years in a row?
We were waiting for them to cut down the nets.
And now they're 13-17.
Yeah.
They're in dire straits, and it's funny. He had the good run. He had the Final Four, so you could say that he brought UCLA to a better level than he had at Pitt because he couldn't get past the Sweet 16 with Pitt, where Jamie Dixon took the program over at Pitt, kept it rolling. They finally got past the Sweet 16, and Pitt is still where they're at. They haven't reached as high of a peak as UCLA did, but they're not at 13-17, sitting this year. So the fall from grace for UCLA. The fact that this game's a pick'em, forget for a moment the name UCLA. If you covered up these two teams and looked at what they're doing down the stretch, look at their records, and look at it and say
the season series,
and say pick the winner, you're absolutely gonna grab Arizona. It looks
who can blame you? UCLA lost the last three. Arizona won the last three. Arizona swept the season series.
So who am I going to go with?
You love UCLA.
I'm going to go with UCLA. And here's the thing. UCLA only scored 46 points in their last game. They looked absolutely pitiful to close out the season. And I think Ben Howland knew this team, it didn't matter if they played their guts out, win 2 or 3 games at the end of the season.
Nothing. It's all going to come down.
It's going to come down right here.
Yeah.
I think this is where it's the slate's clean. They're not 13-17 anymore. They're 0-0.
Yeah, what a shot!
They win 4 games in a row. They're playing.
They got a chip in a chair right now, like they say in poker.
Yeah.
You know,
Ben Howland. One thing about a Ben Howland team, they know how to play defense. Always.
Yeah.
And a good defensive team can slow down any team. And you catch a shooter's team that has a little bit of an off night, and you accompany that with hard defense, that's an upset. And I'm going to go for UCLA here to pull that upset. You've got a pick'em situation where you've lost both games. I think the betting's all going to come Arizona. And let's not forget, it's not like UCLA's playing a no-name. Arizona's been a perennial, big dance, participant for years. Now, the program's definitely taken a fall since Lute Olson's left, but this is still a perennial powerhouse.
Yeah, absolutely.
So with the name association, I don't have a problem there. I think UCLA goes in here on Thursday. I think they win. They advance to the next round. This team has had some good moments this year. They upset California as a 14-point underdog. California won the Pac-10 title. So this team does know how to pull off a big win. They're capable. They just, like we said with North Carolina, they're young. They're immature.
Oh, they're so inexperienced right now. I like UCLA, too, to tell you the truth. I like the fact that Arizona's coming off that double overtime game that they won. Believe it or not, I like the fact that they won because you get to celebrate. You're excited about that win. It was a huge win, and I like that fact more. I also like the fact that UCLA is going to slow down the game so much and use that huge height advantage. I think they're going to bore Arizona to death by walking it up the court, and as long as they could keep Arizona from getting hot from behind the three-point line, UCLA is going to win this game. I've been hot with conference tournaments now for a long time, and this game jumped out at me as well, and for some reason, I saw parlay written all over it. UCLA and under. I agree with you 100%. I see UCLA advancing. I see them beating this Arizona team. And, like you said, they're a pretty good squad, man. They just are too young right now. But they have size. They have that athletic ability. They have the coach, and I think they're the better team. Even though they lost to this team twice, I still think tomorrow afternoon, whenever it is, UCLA gets it done.
3 o'clock, you'll be able to watch it on FSN. I'm going to go with UCLA. That's my free pick. Now, don't forget, you can go, when you're watching our videos at Pregame TV, pregame.tv, you can make a prediction. You're watching the video, go to the comment section, put your predicted score, both my game and Vegas Runners play, and you predict the exact final score. We're going to give you $100 pregame dollars. Doesn't cost you anything. Throw your opinion out there. Great way to pick up a great gift from pregame. And also, be sure to check out, you can always go and watch all of our videos at pregame.tv, or you can download and listen on iTunes. Just go to iTunes, search for pregame.com. You can listen to us wherever you want. Download it to your iPod, and you can be wherever. And hear Vegas Runners.
UCLA and under.
He's wound up today, folks.
I am.
All right, this has been Big Game Preview Segment 2. We will have special How to Handicap segments. Be sure to check those out. We're going to talk conference tournament handicapping. We'll be back.